Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we could see that Bitcoin yesterday had an impressive rally all the way up to 67,500. Actually reached 68,500 after I ended my stream, so it pumped a little more after that. Uh, Yesterday was a nice, fun little stream that I had with everyone. Thank you all for all of you that joined. Looks like right now that we could be coming down to retest this as support, this trend line right here. As we see, we tested its resistance, and then we broke out. Now let's come back down and possibly test it as support. Probably gonna come back to 66,800 maybe, but we'll have to see about that because right now it looks like we're getting bought up at the moment. And on the on the market cipher, we can see that right now we are getting some bearish numbers, but they're starting to turn around a little bit right here. You can see that the bulls are fighting back. We might even get a little bit of a green dot here on the 30-minute and then continue up towards the upside. Something like this that we've seen before. And then it's just a continuation pattern. And let's take a look at the daily candles, as it's always good to look at the larger time frames. On the daily, we can see that it's probably most likely going to be a green day, and on the 12-hour, we can see that right now it's probably curling up to see possibly making a little bit of a red dot here in the coming 12-hour candles. But we can see that it's probably maybe gonna roll over like this and do something like that and head over to the upside. I believe we actually have the potential to possibly reaching $90,000, $80,000 targets this month, depending on how the price action is. If we keep going at this rate, then we're gonna get there in no time. Obviously, there's gonna be some pullbacks on the way. On the 2-day looks extremely good, 3-day looks extremely good, and 4-day looks extremely good. So I'm expecting some big things for Bitcoin in the coming weeks. We're probably going to go up in November. It looks like it's going to be a great month for Bitcoin. And Ethereum on a tear, and finally our ADA trade is in massive profits now. We are over in a 71% profit on my leverage too. So people who are using even more and copying my trades, you guys are in massive gains. I think my friend texted me this morning. She's in a 260% profit now with a 40% rise to the upside. So congratulations to you guys. Probably more now, the 260%. I think she texted me on this little bit of a pullback that we got. So congratulations to you guys. You guys deserve your gains. You made some really good trades, and you know, you did your research too, I guess. But thanks for following me, and we can see that right now we're coming back down to the spider lines, and we are finding a little bit of support right now from these levels at 67,500. Excuse me, 500, 300. Burped a little bit there. And I think we're going to see our next resistance. If once we consolidate at these levels, possibly, I think we're going to see some resistance at the $70,600 levels. Since there's no price traded here, we're in price discovery mode now. So you can expect a lot of volatility, lots of upside, and Litecoin on fire. Almost reached $255 last night, and VeChain finally at 18 cents. Reached our target. Actually reached 18.78 yesterday. Wow, 18.75. So that's crazy levels. Our investment is now in 51% gains. No leverage for VeChain. Unfortunately, there was no leverage available for perpetual contracts on BitGet for VeChain, but I have submitted it to them, and they are on the way, and they're going to deliver soon. So keep your eyes open if you're looking to trade VeChain on BitGet. And right now, just market's making all-time highs. You know how it is. Probably gonna keep hitting this trend line right here. Looks like it's gonna try to break out possibly and head over to new highs. As you know, you print more money, you get new highs. So we'll see what happens. And right now, let's take a look at one more coin. I believe I wanted to take a look at. I can't remember. It's pretty early. Let me just try to remember. I think that's it. Oh, maybe XRP, because Daniel. Yeah, XRP looks like it's doing pretty well. I guess you could say maybe you could draw this trend line right here. If it does come back down, you could possibly maybe get a bounce off of it and then come back towards the upside. Also, we're holding these levels quite nicely. $1.15. but we're actually seeing some front running at these resistance levels. Maybe I could redraw it a little bit better. Maybe bring it down to these levels, and then you could see that you're getting some resistance now. But once we get into this resistance box, I think we're gonna do something like V-chain. You're gonna fight it, right? We're gonna get into it. We're probably gonna get rejected the first time. We're gonna recover, fight back into it, and once we get above it and test that support, we're gonna head over to the upside. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, make some really good trades, and I hope you guys are satisfied with the gains that I provided you today. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can get there today. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Also, if you haven't already, you guys can use my link, sign up for BitGet, get a $630 bonus, and that's where you can copy my trades. Peace.